So is there any item in the comprehensive guidance and counseling program that I would want to know more about? I think something that I'm still kind of questioning is collecting data. I feel like it just seems like such tedious work trying to figure out what data to collect and how to collect it to coincide with what your the results that you're trying to get, to give you the results that you need in order to put this program together. So that's probably one thing I'd like more information on, but I'm assuming that that's something that I will be learning along the way, especially once I start collecting data for other things, just to figure out maybe something that's needed in the school amongst students, from me amongst staff. So that's the one thing that comes to mind right away. If not, are you prepared to jump into or begin a program at a future site? Well, obviously, I don't feel prepared. I mean, I do feel prepared. I don't think I can start one myself. I think I'd be definitely willing to participate and do my part and my share in getting a program like this going, especially given that I've just learned the material and I think it's pretty fresh in my mind. At first, this was very intimidating. I wasn't sure what a comprehensive guidance and counseling program was. And now after taking this class and reading this book, which I didn't find too dry, I think it has some really great examples. I think that I have a better idea of what it is and what it entails and how to get it started. And so I would like more information on certain parts, but I am willing to jump in at a future site. If that's what the team is doing, then that's what I'll be doing. Of course, I want to be a team player and I'm going to do my part and learn as I go.